Right, I made a 5 minute video on both of these, but I kind of rambled on a bit and I just cut it off and started again because most of the rambling is not really needed. Basically, you know, this doesn't really look like a bottom. This does not look like a bottom to me. This looks like more of a pattern that will do this. Maybe it'll consolidate for a bit and then it'll go lower again. Okay, it looks more of a bearish possible continuation pattern. A little bit like this. Look at this. This is actually, look at this. There's one right there. And then obviously we roll over from that. It almost looks like we're doing the same sort of thing and going to roll over again. Now, how high can we bounce first? That's a good question. But it just does not look like this is bottomed right here. That's GRT. And this is pretty much the same. I would suggest that it can bounce some more, but at some point it feels like this is going to roll over and go to new lows. So for me, I don't think they've bottomed. If you want to start accumulating, both are down 86%, which is not overly extended to the downside. You'd rather see in the 90s to the downside. But if you really wanted to start accumulating long term, you need to. I would suggest trade small or don't do it at all. I think it just looks like it could go lower. You know, maybe in the short term it can bounce some more, or whatever. But at some point, I think these will go lower.